It's Victor here with another video for you guys. For the last couple weeks, I've been buying parts and stashing them. That way I could get content for you guys. I've gotten some of them in, some of them have not come in yet. As you all know, I've been changing certain things on my bike, giving it some blue accents. So I recently purchased the Santoro shifter link in blue. So today I will be installing this and showing you guys how easy it is to install. Also, it brought the blue chachos with the bolts for it. They're stapled in there, but you'll be able to see it once I'm done. I also got the Santoro cigarette lighter cover. So I'm going to be taking the original rubber one out and putting this one in on my bike. It's a little details, little accents to it here and there. That way it will give it that pop that I'm looking for. One more thing that I will try to get to it on this video, but it's gonna be a little bit time consuming, is I'm gonna be swapping out the original USB cord that connects to the radio. I've been having issues with my radio. Everything has been installed in this bike, everything new. It was still under warranty, so sounds did everything. The whole system has been replaced on this bike because it started with a dirty install from the beginning. But there's one more thing to change, which I think is the issue, because what is going on is my music keeps cutting mid-ride. It's not the amp. The amp is still up and running. It's not the radio. So what I'm thinking is this cable from Age, it's been probably on the bike since 2018, 2017. So I'm going to swap this USB cable because I really think it's the port that is going bad. So hope y'all enjoy it. Here is the output. This is what you need to take out, and then the cable runs back here, clips right there, and it goes in there. It goes from the inside out. Very simple, fairly simple. It just takes you more time to take the fairing out than replace that USB cable. y'all can see, it was a pretty fair install. That's it for the video today. I don't know if you can hear it, sorry. I apologize now for the sound. It's storming really bad and I'm inside my trailer. This is my garage / trailer. So this is where I work on my bike. But thanks for watching. Until next time.